right, Gary? That's $500 Brian ever spent.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing is definitely cool.
Holy crap. Fucking missed the gear. Damn, that sucked. I couldn't get it back at first.
You see the ruts in there?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
We can lose Travis. Hold on. I was getting pretty bad there.
Hey, window open or shut?
Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Oh, shit. Thanks, Gary. Especially, oh, shit. Wipers! I think I should just leave them on here. Oh, God. Hold the wheel, right?
Oh, that's straight up and down, that guy.
There we go.
Wow, both those look straight up and down.
Oh, man.
Oh!
Oh, jeez.
Punch it.
Oh, no! Oh! God, it drifted a little bit. Oh, man, he went in the bushes.
Did it? You got your blinker on?
Do I? No. Is it right turn? Take reverse. Have fun, you on now.
Have fun disking in this, buddy.